he said, we found something. And that was after a couple of mammograms, which was routine mammogram more or less, and a couple of MRIs. We found something, quote unquote.
As a person whose mother had died from it, I always say this, I felt like I knew who my enemy was.
Had I not had the support system that I had undergoing treatment, I don't think I would be sitting here today.
The community came together and rallied around breast cancer patients and survivors, and just themselves being connected, because everyone is affected by breast cancer. I mean, if you don't have it, then you know somebody that probably does.
That's the one thing about this campaign, is that it was in front of you every single day. So even if you wanted to suppress it, you had those constant reminders not to. So I am absolutely positive that there are people who did in fact act on that and move forward with some sort of visit to the doctor or some sort of screening exam, and more than likely there's been more than 1 or 2 lives saved because of it.
This was really neat to see how people were so excited about doing it, which kind of seems a strange thing to be excited about breast cancer, but it's about celebrating the survival and celebrating the fact that we are working, together as people to help support each other in, such a trying time.
What was great to see was the way the Democrat and others put a real face to breast cancer. It wasn't just a statistic. It wasn't a bunch of numbers. They gave stories.
I had a tram flap done, which is they take stomach tissue, move it up to your breasts. So I had that done because I didn't want my kids to have to watch another parent die of cancer.
Cancer, the word is scary, but as I began my treatment and, learned more about cancer, it kind of eased my fear.
Cancer became this enemy. It's this competitor out there. And I started looking at it like that. And I thought, okay, somebody's going to win here. Either I'm going to let this thing lick me or I'm going to lick it.